Sad?
Sad, Trevor?
Yeah.
Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Oh, look at that. Oh, why are you sad? Why are you sad? Can I tickle you right here?
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not? You want Ty Bear?
No.
You want the baby?
I want the Ty Bear.
You want Ty Bear?
I want the baby.
You want the baby?
Here we go, Ian.
Kiss. Whose baby is that?
That's my baby.
Is that your baby?
I want the Ty Bear.
You want Ty Bear?
Yeah.
What else do you want?
Elmo?
Elmo?
It's the Ty Bear. I'm a Ty Bear.
Ty Bear?
Yeah, I'm a Ty Bear.
Baby?
Yeah.
Okay.